Greetings friends. Here I bring you another FreeCAD tutorial video. I've titled it My Robust Workflow Explained, a detailed walkthrough with a simple example. Even though I'm using the development version of FreeCAD, to highlight some contrasts, I'll first use the RealThunder version to work through the example. Then I'll switch back to the development version. Here we are in the RealThunder version. The idea behind this workflow is that all parameters used in the project are defined within master sketches. Since the example I'm going to build is very simple, I will create two of these master sketches and place them inside a folder. Then I'll rename these objects appropriately. In the project, I will create two master sketches. The project consists of two solids, each within a separate body. As already mentioned, the parameters associated with the solids are already defined in the master sketches. In this workflow, we won't need to directly input numerical values into any other objects. Next, we'll start by creating one body and its solid, and then proceed to create the second body and its corresponding solid. We'll also point out some of the features available in this RealThunder version, features I hope will soon be integrated into the FreeCAD development version. Notice how several tasks are done automatically in RealThunder. For instance, if geometries from external sketches are selected and used in an operation, the respective subshape binders are automatically created. Additionally, those children are claimed, which is quite useful. These features are not yet available in either the stable or development versions of FreeCAD. Hopefully, they'll be included soon. With that, we've completed the modeling in the RealThunder version. Now let's go back to the FreeCAD development version. We'll carry out the same tasks as in the RealThunder version. Create the two master sketches, place them inside a folder, and then create a body to model the solid. Once that's done, we'll move on to the second body and its solid. We can observe that in this setup, all parameter values are located in the master sketches. This makes the entire design fully parametric. If we wanted to change the design later, modifying the sketches would suffice. Even the spacing between these bodies is controlled by the sketches. Although the additive and subtractive sweeps being used are essentially equivalent to extrusions and pockets, there's no need to enter any numerical values directly into the bodies. I think this is really useful. The structure and form of the design are concentrated mainly within the sketches, and from there, the rest of the model can be built. Well, that's all I have for now. I hope you take a look at the workflow I'm presenting. This is an alternative way to work. If you find it useful, feel free to adopt it. If not, no problem. Personally, I find it very effective, and especially, very robust. Alright, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, enable notifications by clicking the bell icon, and share the video with others. Any comments you may have will be greatly appreciated. A big greeting, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.